Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I'm gonna show you how to make banana bread. I'm gonna start here by taking 2 bananas. Mash it up until they're smooth. I'm mashing it here by a fork. You could use a potato masher. I'm gonna take a separate bowl and start mixing the dry ingredients. Here I've started with 1 cup of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and half a teaspoon of salt. Here I'm using the pink Himalayan salt. You could use any salt you like. Once you've put all the dry ingredients, give it a good mix. Here I've melted 1 stick of butter and now I'm adding 3/4 cup of brown sugar. You can add any sugar you'd like. Add an egg and add half a cup of milk. You can use any milk you'd like. And now give it a good mix. I forgot to add in vanilla essence before whisking, so I'm gonna add it now and whisk it again. I like some chocolate in my banana bread, so here I'm gonna take 2 bars of Galaxy chocolate. If not, you can take any type of chocolate you'd like. And now I'm gonna take the dry ingredients with the wet ingredients and just fold it in. Make sure you're folding it in and not mixing it too much so that it stays fluffy. And here's my favorite part. Add the chocolate to the mixture and just fold it in. And now let's take a loaf tin lined with parchment paper and pour the batter into the loaf tin. This is completely optional. I've put some chocolate on the top so that it looks good. I preheated my oven at 180 degrees Celsius and I'm gonna bake it for 45 minutes. So here my banana bread looks ready. Let's have a look. And it looks perfect and moist. This step is completely optional. Here I'm gonna take some macadamia butter and drizzle it on the banana bread. I hope you like the recipe and I hope you try it, and let me know in the comment section below what else would you like me to make. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. And I'll see you in the next video.